আমি কিছু বলতে পারবো না। I cannot say anything. I cannot say anything. I cannot say anything. আমার কিছু কিনতে হবে। I want to buy something. I want to buy something. I want to buy something. আমার কিছু ওষুধ কিনতে হবে। I want to buy some medicine. I want to buy some medicine. I want to buy some medicine. আমরা একটু পরেই যাব। We will go a little later. We will go a little later. We will go a little later. সে আমাদের প্রতিবেশী। He is our neighbor. He is our neighbor. He is our neighbor. তুমি এটা ভুল করছো। You are doing this wrong. You are doing this wrong. You are doing this wrong. এটা তোমার জন্য ভালো হবে। It will be good for you. It will be good for you. It will be good for you. সে আমার জন্য অপেক্ষা করছে। He is waiting for me. He is waiting for me. He is waiting for me. তোমাকে দেখে খুব খুশি হলাম। I am very happy to see you. I am very happy to see you. I am very happy to see you. জুতা বাইরে রেখে ভিতরে আসো। Leave your shoes outside and come in. Leave your shoes outside and come in. Leave your shoes outside and come in. আমাকে বাধ্য করো না। Do not force me. Do not force me. Do not force me. তুমি সত্যিই আমাকে অবাক করেছো। You really surprised me. You really surprised me. You really surprised me. তোমার যেখানে খুশি রাখো। Put it wherever you want. Put it wherever you want. Put it wherever you want. সে এখন বাড়িতে নেই। He's not at home yet. He's not at home yet. He's not at home yet. সে আর কখনো ফিরে আসবে না। He will never come back. He will never come back. He will never come back. সীমা অতিক্রম করবে না। Will not exceed the limit. Will not exceed the limit. Will not exceed the limit. এটা কখনোই হতে পারে না। It can never happen. It can never happen. It can never happen. আমি অনেক চেষ্টা করছি। I am trying a lot. I am trying a lot. I am trying a lot. আমি তোমার কাছে কৃতজ্ঞ। I am grateful to you. I am grateful to you. I am grateful to you. একটু বুঝতে চেষ্টা করো। Try to understand a little. Try to understand a little. Try to understand a little. আমাকে এই ঠিকানায় নিয়ে চলো। Take me to this address. Take me to this address. Take me to this address. এটি খুব বেশি দূরে না। It's not too far. It's not too far. It's not too far. আমি আগামীকাল চলে যাব। I will leave tomorrow. I will leave tomorrow. I will leave tomorrow. সে আমাকে চলে যেতে বলেছে। He asked me to leave. He asked me to leave. He asked me to leave. এই বিষয়ে আমাকে একটু ভাবতে হবে। I will have to think about this a little. I will have to think about this a little. I will have to think about this a little. আমার কিছুদিন সময় লাগবে। It will take me a few days. It will take me a few days. It will take me a few days. যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব ফিরে এসো। Come back as soon as possible. Come back as soon as possible. Come back as soon as possible. এখানে এসো, আমার পাশে বসো। Come here and sit beside me. Come here and sit beside me. Come here and sit beside me. সে তোমাকে যা বলে তেমন করো। Do what he tells you. Do what he tells you. Do what he tells you. আজ এখানে বৃষ্টি হতে পারে। It might rain here today. It might rain here today. It might rain here today.